Common factors and common multiples. You have already know about factors and multiples in your previous classes. Here you see a word common has been put before these two words. Common means same value for two or more numbers. Simply we can say if we find out the factors of two numbers and collect only those factors which are common to both the numbers are called common factors. Similar thing happen in case of multiples. Let us explain with examples. Here we take the example. Suppose we have to find out the factors of 12 and 18, and out of those factors we have to collect only those common factors. Let us see how what are the numbers of factors in case of 12. So 12 equal to, that is 1 is always be the first factor of any number. Next 2 times 6, that means 2 is also a factor, that is 3 times 4, 3 and 4. 5 is exactly not divisible by 5, that is why 6. Again the number itself 12. Those are the factors of 12. So now find out the factors of 18. So in case of 18, same thing, 1 should be the first factor. Next 2 times 9, that means 2. Again 3 times 6, so 3 and 6. 4 and 5, those are not exact divisor, so again 6 here, and 9 and the number itself, that is 18. So now from those factors we have to find out which from the 12 and 18 which one is the common. That means in both the cases it is present. So 1 is common, you see. So we can write here common factors. Common factors are, the first one should be the 1. Okay, 1. Next you see 2 is also a common factor. Again 3 is present in both the cases, so 3 is also a common factor. But 4 is not the common factor since it is not present in 18. So here it is, 6 is a common factor, we can write 6. Okay, and rest of the numbers are not common factor. 9 is not present here, 12, 18, all those numbers are not common factors. So we have finally we have got 4 common factors from 12 and 18. So those are the common factors of 12 and 18. Now we have to find out the multiples of 12 and 18. Multiples can be find out from the multiplication table of 18 and 12 and 18. Here it is multiples of 12. So first we have to put down the multiples. Multiples should be starting from the number itself. That means 1 times equal to 12, that is 2 times equal to 24, 3 times 36, 4 times 48, 5 times 60, again 6 times 72, 7 times 84, 8 times 96, and next it should be again 12, 108. Okay, so it's go on and on and on up to infinity. There is no any maximum value of multiples. Next, multiples of 18. So in case of multiples, the number itself is the first multiple. In case of factors, the factors are either smaller or maybe equal to the number itself. Okay, so in case of multiples, the first multiple is always the number itself, and the rest of the multiples will be greater than the number. Again here it is 36, 3 times 54, again 72, next it should be 90, here it is 90, next should be 108, and again if we add another 18 to 108, it becomes 126. So it's go on and on and on. So finally we can got the multiples of 12 and 18. So we have to find out the common multiples from both 12 and 18. Now we have to see 12 is not common since it is not present in case of 18, and 18 is also not common so finally we see 36 is common because it is present in both the numbers multiples. So common multiples of 12 and 18 are, so first one is the lowest, that means minimum common multiple is 36, and second one should be 48 is not common, so 72. So here it is 72 is the second, and the third one should be the 108. So we have 3 common multiples here. We can get more and more multiples since it is up to infinity. Here for the example we have 3 common multiples. 36 is the lowest common multiple, and in case of factor 6 is the highest common factor in both the cases. So that is the process to find out common multiples and common factors.